Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. What if I told you that all the personal finance advice you need fits on a single index card? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today we're diving into the index card. Why personal finance doesn't have to be complicated by Helaine, Olen, and Pollack. Stick around because there's one game-changing tip at the end that you definitely don't want to miss. This entire book is based on a single index card. Yup, you heard that right. The authors boiled down all the essential financial advice you need onto one index card. Let's break it down step by step. Picture this. You have an index card in front of you, and the first thing written on it is, save 10–20% of your income. Think of this as planting a small seed every month. Over time, this seed grows into a strong, healthy tree, your future savings. This habit of saving a little bit regularly helps ensure you have money when you need it most. Next on our index card, it says, pay your credit card balance in full every month. Imagine you borrowed your friend's toy and promised to return it the next day. If you don't, they might not trust you again, and you might owe them even more. Paying your credit card in full is like keeping that promise, ensuring you don't get stuck with extra charges. Now let's see what's next. It says, max out your 401k and other tax-advantaged savings accounts. Think of these accounts as special piggy banks that the government allows you to fill up with more money. The more you save in these special piggy banks, the less you pay in taxes, helping your savings grow faster. Then we have never buy or sell individual stocks. Instead, buy inexpensive, well-diversified mutual funds and ETFs. This is like going to an ice cream shop. Instead of trying a single unfamiliar flavor, you choose a mix of many different flavors in a sundae. This way, if one flavor isn't great, you still enjoy the overall treat. Mutual funds and ETFs work the same way. They spread your money across different investments to keep things balanced. Next it says, make financial advisors commit to the fiduciary standard. Imagine you have a coach who always has your best interest at heart, guiding you through every challenge. A fiduciary advisor is just like that coach, making sure their advice is best for you. Then we read, buy a home when you are financially ready. Think of buying a home like adopting a pet. It's a big responsibility, and you need to be sure you can take care of it properly. Wait until you're sure you're ready for this big step. Now it says, insurance. Make sure to have appropriate coverage. Imagine you have a magic shield that protects you from unexpected dangers. Insurance is like that shield, helping you stay safe from financial surprises. Lastly, we have, do your best to support the social safety net. This is about helping create a community where everyone can feel secure and supported, just like how a strong net catches everyone if they fall. Okay, everyone, here's the special tip I promised you. The authors of The Index Card tell us that while these tips seem simple, the real magic happens when you make them a part of your everyday life. It's not just about knowing these principles, but actually living them every day. Consistency is the key to financial success. So there you have it. The key principles from the index card, all boiled down to one simple, straightforward index card. It's all about simplifying your financial life and focusing on what truly matters. The simplicity is the real genius here. And if you're ready to unlock your hidden power, check out my video linked in the description below. Don't miss out. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another book you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay financially savvy.